In my last class, I have defined what is table in HTML5. Now, how to insert a table in HTML5. Now, for inserting a table, we have to know the basic table tags. There are 5 different basic table tags in HTML5. These are table, tier, TD, TH, captions. These are the five basic tags. So you have to know what are the what are the what are the tags basic table tags table tags in HTML5. So what will be the answer? the basic the basic table tags in HTML5 are, what are these? Number one is what? table insert, table close, table. Next is what? Number is what? Tier. This is tier. This tier closed. All are occurring in pair. Number three is what? TD. 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 Then TD closed. TD closed. Then number fourth is what? Fourth is what? TH. 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 Now TH closed. The fifth one is what? Caption. 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 Next caption. CAPTION. Caption closed. These are the 5 basic tags in HTML5. Now, what I have to do? Hmm, what I have to do? I will discuss what is table tag. What is table tag? This will be closed tag. Caption open, caption close. Now, what is the purpose of? Next comes out. What is the? Now you see, in your exam, direct question will not come. Whatever I will discuss, you try to follow all the things. If you try to follow all the things, you can answer the short questions that comes in your exam. Okay. So second point is what? What is the purpose of? What is the purpose of table tag? 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 The purpose of table tag. You write. What will be the answer? You will write the table tag is used to define a table in HTML5. The table tag is used. Table tag is used. Table tag is used. Just wait. Table tag is used to define table in HTML5. The table tag is used to define table in HTML5. If you are asked to insert a table in HTML5, you have to always use this code table tag. Starting table and close table tag. In between these, the structure of the table will be there. You know, in a table there is a table header, there is a table rows, there is a table data. All the things are present. So at that place, what are the things you have to place accordingly? Next comes what? Hmm, Next comes what? Next is what? Next is what? Your stable row. Write the purpose of. Next comes what? Write the purpose of tr tag, then td tag, then TH tag. If you know these things, you can easily insert a table in HTML5. In HTML, in HTML, HTML5. So first of all, I am writing tr tag. What is tr tag? Tr tag, you will write the table row tag defines horizontal row of cells. The table row tag, row tag, row tag, the table row tag defines defines a horizontal row of cell, a horizontal row 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 of cells, horizontal row of cells, horizontal row of cells. Table row tag ROW defines horizontal row of cells. Next comes for TD tag. TD tag. Now what is TD tag? TD tag is what? The table data. TD means table data tag specifies the individual block. The table data specifies specifies an individual block, an individual individual block or cell in table row, or cell in table row. The TD tag, the table data specifies an individual block or cell in table row. Next one is what you see. Next one is TH tag. TH tag. TH tag. So what is TH tag? TH means what? Table header. Table header indicates that the cell is a header. The table header indicates that the cell is a header, header. Cell header for a column or for a column, COLUMN, column or row. This is TH tag. Next comes what? Caption. Caption or what? Caption, table caption. Table caption or heading defines the caption of the table. So I will discuss table caption now. Now what is the purpose of caption tag? Write the purpose. Write the purpose. Purpose of caption tag. CAPTION. Caption tag in HTML5. Answer will be what? What will be the answer? Table caption defines a caption for the title of the table. Caption for the title of the table. Okay, now this much I have discussed. You note down. Actually I am not so much expert in nicely writing And so if in this screen, so if you have a problem, you adjust me and you can ask me personally. You please note down and memo it. Okay. Thank you, student.